Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 229 that arrived yesterday. Anyway, doing a cursory inspection here to see what it's going to take to get this repaired. So I've taken two wire ties and hooked them together to act as a clamp so I can compress this. And you will notice that it is actually bent right there. So what someone tried to do was to get this wheel out of here. They couldn't, so they stuck a screwdriver right there, pried it to try to flex that and snap this entire piece out. You cannot flex pot metal. It cracks and then it breaks. So this was just abuse. Somebody didn't know what they were doing. They tried to get this out and bang, broke it. So as you notice, the ends no longer line up because it's bent right there. So it bent before it broke. So I'm going to have to fabricate a jumper to go across this. Now I've got this clamp with these two wire ties, as you see. So if I take the wire ties off, it's actually boing, spreads open, and the wheel will pop out of its journal. So anyway, I'm going to have to use a piece of brass, very likely. I don't have any pot metal that size. So even a piece of plastic would work, but I'll see if I can find something that's about the right size so you can't see a noticeable repair. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's a really shame. I mean, this locomotive is almost 100 years old, and that was strictly somebody dicking around with it and broke it. So in overall condition, this is actually quite good. I'm on the bench, as you can see. So it's got lots of oxide on it, but no true amount of rust, just bits of rust. So what you do is you soak this with oil, let it set for say 24 hours, and then Scotch-Brite it off. It'll take it right back down to steel. And as you see, there's no damage even to the smallest screws. So I don't think this has ever been apart since it left the factory in 1939. You know, that was a long time ago. This old locomotive, like I said, is almost 100 years old. Anyway, as you see, it is complete, it's intact, it even has the articulated bell. So anyway, just want to do a quick video to kind of go over what I'm going to have to do to repair this. I mean, like I said, it is a really stupid way to damage this locomotive. You know, and somebody did it just because they didn't know what they were doing. So I'll just pull the screw out, pull the bracket, take the truck out, clamp it, get it lined up, and then make a jumper, and then epoxy it on both sides, let it set, and then take the brace off, and that should make an adequate repair. I just got to find a piece of material that's about the same size as far as width and thickness. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video of the overview of doing this repair. Again, it's a shame. This thing would be in perfect condition if it weren't for that. So in any case, 22 bucks. I mean, the parts alone are worth more than that. So this truck, in fact, is going to cost probably 22 bucks if I replaced it. So again, I'll just pull this out, find a piece of material, file it to fit, epoxy it on the ends, let it set, take the brace off, and it should be repaired. I'll do a follow-up when I get that done. Anyway, I just want to go over what it's going to take to repair this. It's a shame, too, because this locomotive was in really decent condition. So just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.